Why should you join KPI Insights Performance Benchmarking? Simply put, this is evidence-based business intelligence engineered to simultaneously steer your entire organization to provide more care for less costs. All the filters are dynamic in the dashboards, providing more relevance, more insights to more parts of your business. See your top 9 community care cost drivers, and they're determining backseat drivers. Your KPIs benchmarked against the industry KPIs. You will no longer wonder about the things you didn't know. And the real kicker? The KPIs are turned into budget-ready dollars. How much does poor efficiency cost you per annum? And how much does good efficiency save you per annum? If you provide funding programs like Commonwealth Home Support, home care packages, DVA, NDIS, home visits, or group activities, then this is definitely for you. G'day, I'm Corey Jackson, Director of KPI Insight. We pride ourselves on turning your numbers into a story.